Hi, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at an all-new 2019 GS22 Super Air made by Nautique. As you can see, this is a gorgeous metal flake. It's a new color this year, a steel blue metal flake with black. Swim platform is covered in SeaDek. On the GS22s, you have a nice seat in the back here to be able to put your boards on with comfort. A nice center walkthrough. As you can see, it's a white interior with, again, the steel blue interior as well as gray. It's a nice wraparound bench to fit all your friends. This has a JL audio sound system. This particular model, we added cup holder lights. You can actually change the cup holder lights to about 56 different colors. Charging ports by your speakers, which is very nice and convenient. Here at the helm, we have a 12.4 touchscreen, fully touchscreen screen. It's nice and out of the way. You can still see through the windshield. We have a cell phone holder. You got some pull-out heat vents, which are nice on the colder days. You also have the control here, which is able to control everything on the touchscreen. On this side, in this cubby, you have charging ports. You also have a JL head unit, so the passengers can adjust the music as well. This is a nice sealed compartment where I suggest all cell phones go while you're underway. That way if you hit a wave and water comes in the boat, everything stays dry. Here in the bow, we have another 2 JL audio speakers as well as cup holders. And cup holders on the top as well. This tower has 2 board racks. It also has 2 JL tower speakers, which of course you can add more, and the bimini at the top. Again, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. We have tons of these GS22s, GS20s, GS24s, all your G-Series boats, and many more. Stop by MarineMax and check them out today.